Good morning, this is Evan here at Cambridge Court. Today is October 30th. You're looking at our Plan 2 model, feature 2,043 square feet, 3 to 4 bedroom, and 3 bath. Let's look at inside. When you walk in, on the right, there's the staircase. On the left, 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom, and 1 car garage on your left, or on the right, depending on floor plan layout. Great room, kitchen island, kitchen area, and another garage right over here. This is the storage. Look how spacious this is. And you have an optional to put a fireplace, either 48 or 60 inch. And also extension island will come up to about 6 feet up to where the storage door is going to be at. This is our model number 2. The moment you walk upstairs, on the left you have either a loft or a bedroom. Standard at the bedroom. To the right is the master. You have a window inside your walk-in closet. Dual vanity here. Very spacious closet right here. Let's check out the other room. To the right, you have option to extend this about 6 feet. Your master, you can be extended 6 feet, or this one can become an office or an exercise room with window. Laundry room with laundry sink. Additional bathroom upstairs. And either 4th bedroom. I will see you here.